خطيبتي.
يعني ما خطأت.
حاجة جواب عن بحب.
يس.
يعني
حاسة كده.
Cause I can't lose, 'cause I care for you. I can't lose you. I care for you. I care for you. I care for you. Sometimes I don't ask for help, and you don't wanna open up. And when you see my tears right now, you want me to clean them up. All these hateful words